Hello everyone, I'm Beaver. Welcome to the City of Animals. Let me show you around this crazy place. The water slide commute. Just $1 and a ton of courage. Even Musk's Hyperloop can't beat this speed. It's 12 p.m. I'm here for one reason. Fresh fish sashimi.
Hey, Bub!
Hey, Bub, hey!
The boss saw us filming.
Buy one, get one free.
Thanks for directing traffic tonight. It looks beautiful out
Here, you bet. Enjoy the view of the castle and have a safe trip. It's 9 p.m. and City of Animals nightlife is just getting started. I'm Beaver. Thanks for watching my vlog. See you next time.